When you've completed a presentation in PowerPoint, often you want to print this out as handouts to your audience. To print out, we can go to the File ribbon and down to Print. You can also do a keystroke of Control P. Now this brings up the print preview. You'll notice it shows the slide. Down the bottom you can see how many slides are in your presentation, and you can click on this little arrow to go to the next one and next one to see how it's going to look on paper when you come to print. Down the left hand side are all the settings you require for printing. You have your large print button, the number of copies you want of each slide, which printer you want to print to, and then you've got some additional settings. Now by default it will print a slide per page, in this case an A4 page. Now you can change that. It's going to print all the slides. I might want to print just a selection, and you can choose just the current slide, or you can specify a range of slides to put in. To view this, here you can see is an example of how you would type the slides you want: 1, 3, 5 and 12. Put a comma to say I want just slide 1, 3 and 5, and then put a dash if you want to say I want to print all the slides from 5 to 12. Here's where it's dictating what you print. By default it is, as I said, the whole page, but you can choose other layouts such as a notes page. This is where you can have a slide printed at the top of the A4 page and a blank area down the bottom, or if you've typed any notes, then put notes here. Other layouts you can have is maybe have 2 slides per page, or 3 slides per page. If you print out 3 slides, it puts the ruled lines here for taking notes. If I put it back to 1 slide per page, if you've got a duplex printer you can print both sides or single-sided, and you can also turn on collated if you're printing multiple copies. This is irrelevant if you're only printing 1 copy. You can also print in black and white or grayscale. If you don't need colour handouts, then save on ink or laser toner by choosing another option. Click print, and the printer will take longer than a Word document or an email because it has photographs and graphics and charts which do slow down the printing process.